Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, my face is without makeup again, and today I'll be do step by step. I'll teach you step by step complete makeup tutorial, like something which I know and which I have learned like after a lot of research. So I'll show you guys that step by step, and I hope you get all your doubts cleared after this video. And yes, this is something I do and I did at my brother's wedding, and it turned out really amazing. Everyone loved it and everyone even complimented, and there were no patches or anything on that, so I just liked it. And after a lot of practice I got this thing, so I will share with you guys. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so now let's start with the video. So first thing, my mirror is over there, so I may look there for perfect makeup, but just adjust that thing. Okay, so now we'll start with the makeup. First thing I'll be doing is keeping my flicks and hair behind, so it don't creates a problem. So it don't create a problem while me doing makeup. Okay, so if you're wondering, I have ordered these from Shein and it is really cute. I just loved it. First thing, we'll start with cleansing. I have already done that. I have washed my face thoroughly, and I have applied eyes as well. So this will keep your pores tight and make your makeup look more flawless. And the next thing after that you have to do is, I'll be moisturizing my face. I'll be using Nivea. Since my family is a big fan of Nivea, so everyone uses Nivea at my home, so do I. Okay, so if you are wondering and if you don't know, I still have a mark over here, so I may not apply makeup here since I fell down few days back, so ignore that thing. I'll use my hands to blend my moisturizer. Once you are done with moisturizing your face, wait for 2-3 minutes. Let your skin absorb the moisturizer. So wait for 2-3 minutes. Till that time, I'll tell you, after this I'll be applying this primer. I use Color Bar primer, which is perfect match. And this is really nice. I just love this. It literally makes your face look awesome. And if you are in a hurry, you don't need to do whole makeup. You just apply primer, you're compact, and you're ready to go. Okay, now I'll be opening. For this you need to twist. Yes, it's transparent in, see, as you guys can see, it is transparent in color, but it is really thick. Apply primer really properly, because this is something which will create a barrier between your skin and the makeup. Okay, next thing we'll apply is this foundation. I use Maybelline Fit Me foundation with 310 Sun Beige. You can see this. It's 310. Yes. So this is like, I would suggest, if you're going for foundation, use Maybelline. Maybelline is really nice. And please, this is not a sponsored. I'll put the rates over here or somewhere on the screen, because I don't remember the rates, and nothing is sponsored. This is something I personally use and I have bought it. So yes. Now what you have to do is, you have to open this. इसमें अगर आपको pump वाला मिले ना, take pump वाला one, because that's more nice. But once I bought this, then I knew कि pump वाला भी आता है and it is more nice than this. But it's fine, can't help it. Take here on the back side of your hand. Okay, don't take more and don't take too less as well. Okay, see. Now if you are wondering that how can I select my perfect shade, So what you can do is just go to a store, tell that salesperson to give perfect shade for your face, and she may give the perfect shade. You may try 1 2 lighter and darker. Now don't blend with your hands. Use this kind of oval brush, or use normal brush, or use beauty blender. You can use any of this. These three are different thing, and it's not something that foundation के लिए ये, इसके लिए ये और उसके लिए ये. No, you can use any of this. So I like this personally. Like, I feel this is really nice and gives good coverage on your face, so I use this. I even have a beauty blender and a normal brush as well, but I feel this is something really nice. If you don't have any brush, you can use your hands as well. Go in circular motion. Never forget your neck. Okay, once you are done with applying your foundation, next thing you can apply is, you have to apply is concealer and do contouring on your face. Now I have both concealer and contouring, both of Maybelline. As you can see, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, this which is in shade 30, I guess. Yes, which is in shade 30 honey. Yes, you can see. This is how it is looking. And next thing, I have this stick. This also has concealer, like it is a duo stick, that is Face Studio by Face Studio, and this is also of Maybelline New York. Now here it is concealer, and on this side it is contouring, which is in dark shade. So if you don't like, you know what, a mistake I did, that first I bought this and then I bought this. So if you are buying this is also enough. If you are a beginner and if you don't want to go deep inside makeup and you just want to learn basic makeup that you can do by yourself in anyone's wedding, then this stick is fine. So next step is concealer. Concealer is to apply on your spots and to hide all the dark patches you have on your skin. So I have few spots over here, so I'll be applying here. And you can apply concealer under your eyes to hide your dark circles. And apply concealer on your eyes to give flawless eyeshadow look. Yes, the more amount of concealer you apply, the more flawless your eyeshadow will look. So just apply maximum amount of concealer on your eyes. Yes, I know I look bhoot, but yes, this is the process. Now just take contouring. If you don't have contouring, then what you can use any brown lipstick of this shade, or else what you can use is your eyebrow pencil. It smudges very nicely, and you have brown eyebrow pencil if you have brown eyebrow pencil. So before, I wasn't having this contouring, I used to use this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and it worked perfectly fine for me. And you can use brown lipstick as well, which is brown or nude. See, something of this shade, which is something of this shade. So yes, first thing, apply contouring as a straight line to borders on your nose, then this to make your forehead look lighter. Then from your lips towards your ears, don't take fully, take half. Don't take towards your ears, take from here till here. And below your chin, take 3 lines. Okay, so now tip for this, I think it's not seen on camera. I'll use this pencil so that I can guide you properly. So this way one line, and this is the other line. See, you can see these two lines, and over here, this is just to guide you, so I am applying twice. See, this will make your forehead look small. So if you have long forehead, like oval face, you don't need to do this because this will look bad. Since I have a broad forehead, I can do this. So it contouring totally depends on your face. Contouring helps you to change the look of your face. So if you want slimmer cheeks, since I have cheeks, I want slimmer cheeks, so I will do contouring over here. But if you have slimmer cheeks by default, you don't need to do these two lines. And these three lines are for slimmer chin. So due to this, my whole face will look oval. But if your face is already oval, you have pointed chin, don't do this. Same goes for nose. To make your nose look little long and sharp, you have to apply two lines over here. But your nose is long and sharp, you can apply contouring stick over here. So due to this, your nose will look blunt. But if I apply, it will look bad on my face. So try it on your face. As per your face, you can do contouring. So yes, I know I am looking booth, but this is how makeup is done. Now take the same stick which you took for foundation and just smudge it everything. Okay, now when you have contouring, what you can do is that just take in the contour position, like just smudge it in the position you have done contouring. Okay, I forgot to tell you that if you don't have a contouring stick, you can use contouring as your blusher also. So if you have a palette, you can do powder contouring as well, stick contouring as well, and cream contouring as well. So for few people, there's always a confusion that few people do with that brush. So there's nothing to get confused. Like when I was learning, I have learned using these videos only. Then I was getting really confused. Like few people use brush for contouring, few people use beauty blender, few people use brush, few people use oval brush, and it's really confusing. But I'll clear all doubts. You can use anything. You can do powder contouring, you can do stick contouring. It's totally up to you. Okay, yes, since we are done with this, next thing you require is this loose powder. This is what I use. You can use any loose powder which is loose. You can use compact as well, but I personally feel that foundation के ऊपर loose powder looks more nice and it gives finished look and it will stay for a long time. I use this Fit Me loose powder which is in shade 30 medium deep, and I'm in love with this loose powder. See, this is how it is. And you have to use brush for this. Okay, once you are done with this total powdering thing, next thing you have to do is eyeshadow. You can do is eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I have this one and only palette in my dressing table. So this is the blush nude. This is also from Maybelline. Shit man, I feel that everything is from Maybelline. But yes, this is also from Maybelline. This is nude palette and the shades are really amazing. I have done a complete video on this palette, so I'll link that also in the description box. The shades are really nice and I just love this pink shade. It looks flawless and amazing. So for eyeshadow, I use hands. I like to use hands. You can use anything. You can use a small brush as well, but I feel फिंगर से ज़्यादा आई शेडो अच्छा कोई ब्लेंड नहीं हो सकता. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस शेड फॉर ट्रांजिशन. सिंस इट इज़ न्यूड, यू कैन यूज़ एनी वन शेड एज ऑल्सो, बट आई शेडो के लिए बहुत सारे ट्रांजिशंस एंड बहुत सारे चीज़ें रहती है. आई विल शो यू सिंपल बेसिक थिंग. ओके, उसके ऊपर आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस शेड, दिस पर्पल वन फॉर टुडे. So let's see. apply on your eyelids. This is for people who are just learning, and it looks nice, like simple yet elegant, for the people who don't want to go over in anyone's wedding or party. मेकअप हमेशा वैसे होना चाहिए ना कि वो दिखे ना कि you have done 7-8 layers on your face. It looks simple. See guys, I am done with my eyeshadow. I hope it is done properly, because when I do eyeshadow I keep mirror really close, but since it is far and camera is here, so I have done without seeing, but then also you can see the eyeshadow. It is simple. Now next thing I'll be doing is my eyeliner. I have Colossal Maybelline New York eyeliner. You can use anything. I have Revlon one as well. I use on my regular, see here it is. Okay, so on my regular basis I use this Revlon sketch pen, that it is really nice and it is very convenient, like एक ही stroke में it's done, and it is like a pen. Wait, I'll show you if you guys haven't seen. See, this is really nice, but वो उतना dark नहीं होता. It's not that dark as this liquid liner. So liquid liner is perfect if you are going for a wedding, if you are getting ready for a wedding or something. Okay, once you are done with the liner, yes, I have done liner. Now you can apply, you can do kajal. So I personally like brown kajal after doing black liner, because it looks really natural and nice. You can use black as well, or something matching to your outfit. You can use blue liner, blue kajal, green liner, green kajal. That also looks nice. Okay, this is it. Now I'll do my brows. As I said, I'll be using Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, which has this brush at the corner, and this really helps to smudge and it looks really nice. Just fill in your brows very nicely, because your brows help you to give a finished look to your face. Since I have got hurt over here, I'll take care and not go over that. Now the next thing is lipstick. Yes, so now for lipstick I'll be mixing 2-3 shades. For a change, lipsticks are from Lakme, and this is again from Maybelline, but these two are from Lakme. I'll be mixing nude and pink shade. It looks amazing. I just keep on mixing 2 shades. You also try mixing 2 shades, create another 3rd shade, and it looks nice, something different. Don't forget to apply lip balm before applying lipstick. It's really important. It will protect your lips. I already applied when I cleanse my face. Now if you have a lip liner, you can just put a border and it gives a full coverage to your lips. I have red lip liner. I have lost this pink lip liner, so I can't do this. But yes, that's for sure. Lip liner gives a fully look to your lips. Okay, now we'll be doing blusher on our face. So for that, I don't have any blusher palette. I have this old, my ADS compact, not compact, like whole kit, like makeup box which you get, and I know this is not good, so don't use this. Since I don't have and I use this, so I use this last one. I like this shade because it totally mixes on my face and looks nice. So what I have to do is just I'm going to take on my brush, tap it. इससे क्या होता है, इट गोज़ लेस ऑन आवर फेस. अगर डायरेक्टली किया तो वो बहुत भूत लगता है. टेक इट, टैप इट, एंड देन जस्ट गो स्लोली ओवर हियर. Go in circular motion and in upward section. Now the last thing you have to do is highlighter. Yes, highlighter are also of many different types. That is of stick highlighter, that is this palette highlighter. I have this Revlon palette of highlighter. I just love all the shades, but personally I use this second shade from this and it looks amazing. Always I use this. So this is what I am going to use today as well. You can use stick also, but I personally feel this powder one looks more nice and more amazing, and it's really more suitable. So I'll be using this ring finger and just a stroke over my nose. Due to this, my nose will look longer and nice. Same wherever you have done contouring, just do there. Highlighter is to give shine on camera while clicking photos. So highlighter gives really nice and finished look to your face. This is something last you have to do. Okay, last thing to do is use a makeup setting spray. Don't ever forget this. Yes, I have seen many parlor wali also to forget that they forget this, but please don't forget this. This is of MAC Plus Prep Plus Prime. This is you guys can see. It's really nice and it literally helps to keep your makeup long lasting and not make it black or not make it dull. So this is how you have to twist this bottle, right left, and you have to just keep far from your face and just spray it. Yes, it will be little wet for a few seconds. Don't get scared, just let it dry as soon as possible. But don't be scared. Yes, first time when I used this product I was really scared, but now I know that it becomes wet for some time, but it won't drop, it will get absorbed in your skin, and that's nice. This way your makeup will long last. If you don't have this, you can use rose water as well, that is this Gulabari.